A guide to understand chords and scales of the guitar. Let's start with what we call the triad. The triad consists of 3 notes taken from the 7 notes in a scale. The triad consists of the first, third, and fifth notes in a scale. For example, C chord is a triad consisting of the notes C, E, and G. Because the C scale consists of the 7 notes C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, or Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Taking the 1, 3, 5 notes gives us C, E, G. That's the C major chord. The C minor chord is also triad, but the scale is C, D, E, flat, F, G, A, and B. So the notes in the C minor chord are C, E flat. How do you figure out these notes? Here's how. The standard tuning of the guitar is from the lowest, open E, A, D, G, B, and E. When you press a fret upwards, it sharpens the note denoted by the symbol sharp, not the number sign. The basic rule, all notes have sharp except for E and B, meaning starting from open E and pressing each fret, you get E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, then back to E, but higher, when it's called an octave higher. Flats are indicated by a lowercase letter B. For example, starting from E, you get E, E flat, D, D flat, C, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, E, and F. The basic rule of flats, all have flats except for C and F. Memorize this to know all the notes on the fretboard. Then continue exploring the topic of triads, or the 1, 3, 5. Here are the scales. I started with C major, so there are no sharps and flats. C major scale, no sharp and no flat. C minor scale, flat on the third. D major scale, 2 sharps. D minor scale, only 1 flat. E major scale, there are 4 sharps. E minor scale, only 1 sharp. F major scale, 1 flat. F minor scale, 2 flats. G major scale, 1 sharp. G minor scale, 2 flats. A major scale, 3 sharps. A minor scale, no sharp and no flat. B major scale are 5 sharps. B minor scale, 2 sharps. In a chord family, there are 7 chords. Basically speaking, capital letters represent majors and lowercase letters represent minor chords. C major chord family: C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, and B. D major chord family: D, E minor, F sharp minor, G, A, B minor, C sharp minor. E major chord family: F major chord family, G major chord family, A major chord family, B major chord family, I didn't include keys with sharps or flats for easier understanding, hopefully. Side note, the diminished chord is not a triad. It consists of 4 notes or a cluster chord. The diminished chord is a minor 7 flat 5. Example, B diminished notes are B, D, F, A. This is also called half diminished. The full diminished chord is a minor 6 flat 5. Example, B diminished notes are B, D, F, G sharp. That's D for staff. It turned out a bit lengthy. Please write it down on paper to remember it, if it helps even a bit. Thank you and keep playing the guitar.